we're ready now to fit our Ecosure filtered downpipe diverter. Now we want to fit this so that the spigot that comes out the side sits just below the level of the planter bowl in the tank, which is going to be about here. Now you can see a problem here. I've got a downpipe bracket in the way, so we're going to have to move this. Okay, what we'll do, we'll take it out and we'll move it either up or down a foot or so, just so it's clear of our way. Alright, so now we're going to use the 32mm spade bit provided to drill the hole just below the level of our bowl in our tank. So we're going to go for around about here. Now we use the little rubber grommet, also provided in the kit, to seal up that hole. Now we're going to grab the flexible hose that came with the DPD, along with the DPD itself. We're going to start fitting it from the tank backwards. So first of all, we're popping a little bit of the hose through our grommet. And we're in. You'd like this diverter hose to stay nice and straight, so it's a little bit longer than we need at the moment, so I think we're going to cut it just at the end of this narrow spigot. So we're going to cut it about here. Eyes onto our spigot. Just like that. Now, keeping this hose level, we now want to mark where the top of our downpipe diverter hits the gutter. So nice and level, and there's our mark. So now that we've made our notch where the top of our diverter lines up with our downpipe, we're going to measure 20mm down and cut there, and then 80mm below that and cut again. Okay, so from our mark, we're going to cut 20mm down, and then a further 80mm below that. We're going to cut this slice out with a saw. And then the next one. I'm going to remove the top, slide that into the bit of downpipe above us. Then we're going to fit the bottom of the downpipe to the bottom of our diverter, just like that. And then slide the top cover, and it should have a lovely affirmative click, just like that. And there we are, all fitted and filtered.